Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I did this makeup look using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and it's very simple, really easy. I am going to be showing you step by step how I did it, and I hope you guys recreate it. Okay guys, so to start off, I'm going to be using the lightest shade in the palette, which is this creamy shade, and I'm going to be blending that all over the lid with the Morphe M441. And you just want to make sure that you apply this throughout your whole lid so that it will kind of set the concealer that I applied before. Next, I'm going in with this burnt orangey shade, and I'm using just this really small defined brush that I got from Crown Brushes. It has no number, it's just a very good small domed blending brush that I can get right into the crease and just blending that throughout the crease. This will be my transition shade. Next, I'm taking this burgundy shade and I'm using the Morphe M505, and I'm also going to concentrate that towards the crease, and this is going to be like the main focus shade, so I am going to be dipping back and forth into this shade to get the desired darkness. So you just play around with how deep you want it to look. Here I'm going in with the brown in the palette, and I just want to deepen up this look a little more, and I am also using another crown brush that is very detailed and defined, and it's also for blending inside the crease, and this is just going to give me more of a smoky look right in the crease towards the outer crease. And here I am just taking my Morphe M505, the one that I used for the burgundy shade, and I'm just going to blend all of these shades together. Here I'm going to take this beautiful bronzy shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply that on the lid, and I'm using also a crown brush to apply that all over the lid. And here I'm just taking my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and it is black, and I had already applied my lashes here and my eyeliner. The lashes were the ARDELL Wispies. Here I am taking my black eyeliner, which is the Urban Decay 0. And I'm just applying it on the tight line here. And here I'm going back in with that burnt orange shade, and I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line. And I'm going back in with that Urban Decay 0 eyeliner for my waterline. Here I am taking my favorite butter bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I'm going to just bronze up the face, chisel out those cheekbones, little on the forehead. And here I am going with this Dusty Rose blush, also by Physicians Formula in the Butter Blush collection. And this will give me a nice warm flush to the cheeks. Here I'm taking my favorite lip combo at the moment, which is the Urban Decay 24/7 lip liner, and it's in the shade 1993, and it's just this beautiful brownie shade that just makes your lips look very full and juicy. If you are trying to go for that look, you should definitely check this shade out. And here I am applying my BUXOM lip gloss, and it's in the shade Dolly. It's just so beautiful, and BUXOM lip glosses are just amazing, the best out there for sure. And here I am taking my ColourPop highlight in FLEXATARIAN. It's so beautiful, and it's only $6, and it just gives you such a beautiful intense glow. And I'm applying it with my Real Techniques brush. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody you know. Bye.